What if your pocket change contained a hidden treasure? In this exciting video, we uncover the top 5 rare Washington quarter errors from 1965, 1969, 1974, 1985 p. and 1994 d. coins that could be worth thousands. From quarters struck on silver planchets to dramatic misprints and off-center strikes, these errors make for fascinating and valuable finds. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or just starting out, this is your chance to learn how to spot these rare errors and turn your coin collection into a goldmine. Don't miss out, your next fortune might be one coin away. Washington quarters have long been a cornerstone of U.S. coinage. Introduced in 1932 to commemorate the bicentennial of George Washington's birth, these coins became a staple of daily commerce and a popular series among collectors. However, beyond their regular issue counterparts, certain Washington quarters stand out due to minting errors. These errors, often accidental, make these coins highly valuable and sought after. 1. 1965 Washington quarter errors. Historical context. The year 1965 marked a pivotal moment in U.S. coinage history. Due to a silver shortage, the U.S. Mint transitioned from producing coins with 90% silver content to a copper-nickel-clad composition. This shift was necessary to reduce costs and preserve silver reserves. However, the transition was not seamless, and some errors emerged during the process. Key errors. Silver planchet error. Description: despite the transition to clad coins, a small number of 1,965 quarters were mistakenly struck on leftover 90% silver planchets from 1964. These transitional errors are among the most famous and valuable. Identification: silver planchets weigh 6.25 grams, compared to the standard clad weight of 5.67 grams. The distinct ring sound of silver in specific gravity tests can also help confirm authenticity. Value: in circulated condition, these coins typically sell for $7,000 to $10,000. High-grade examples in mint condition can exceed $10,000 at auction. Rarity: fewer than 20 examples are confirmed, making these coins exceedingly rare. Off-center strikes. Description: coins struck off-center are missing a portion of the design, with the severity of the error varying by percentage. Value: depending on the percentage of the strike and condition, these coins range in value from $100 to $500. Clipped planchets. Description: this error occurs when the blank planchet is improperly cut, leaving a clipped or incomplete edge. The clip can be straight or curved. Value: clipped planchets from 1965 are valued between $50 and $200. Collecting insights: 1,965 quarters hold special significance as transitional pieces. Their errors provide tangible links to a significant shift in U.S. monetary policy. These coins are a testament to the challenges of adapting production processes during a period of change. 2. 1969 Washington quarter errors. Historical context: by 1969, the mint was focused on meeting high production demands while maintaining quality. Despite technological advancements, errors continued to occur, adding intrigue to the Washington quarter series. Doubled die obverse. Description: doubling on the obverse is evident in inscriptions such as "Liberty" and "In God We Trust." Identification: doubling appears as a noticeable shift or doubling of the letters. Magnification is often required for precise identification. Value: well-defined doubling can fetch $2,000 to $5,000. Coins in higher grades, such as MS 65 or above, command the upper end of this range. Rarity: this error is rare but not as elusive as the 1965 silver planchet error. Improperly annealed planchets. Description: these coins have unusual surface coloration or texture caused by improper heating during the annealing process. Value: depending on the visual appeal and severity of the error, these coins are valued at $50 to $300. Broad strike errors. Description: a broad strike occurs when the collar die fails, allowing the metal to expand outward during striking. These coins lack a defined rim and have a unique, distorted appearance. Value: broad strikes from 1969 typically sell for $100 to $400. Market insights: error quarters from 1969 offer a mix of dramatic and subtle mistakes, appealing to a broad range of collectors. Authentication by reputable grading services enhances their desirability and ensures accurate valuation. 3. 1974 Washington Quarter Errors. Historical context: the year 1974 was notable for its high coin production. With millions of quarters struck, the increased output naturally led to a rise in errors. Collectors often focus on these mistakes for their rarity and visual appeal. Double die reverse. Description: doubling on the reverse side is visible in inscriptions like E Pluribus Unum and United States of America. Value: coins with strong doubling range from $1,000 to $3,000, depending on grade and clarity. Off-metal errors. Description: these quarters were struck on planchets intended for other coins, such as dimes. Such errors result in undersized coins with incomplete designs. Value: depending on the type of planchet, these errors can fetch $2,500 to $5,000. Die breaks and cuts. Description: die wear or damage causes raised blobs of metal, cuds, to appear on the coin's surface. The size and location of the cut affect its value. Value: these coins are valued at $50 to $300, with larger cuts commanding higher prices. Collector appeal: error coins from 1974 are celebrated for their variety. Their availability in different grades makes them accessible to a wide audience, from novice collectors to experienced numismatists. 4. 1985 P. Washington Quarter Errors. Historical context: in 1985, the Philadelphia Mint produced over 500 million quarters. Amid this large-scale production, various errors emerged, highlighting the challenges of maintaining quality control at high volumes. Clashed dies. Description: clashed dies occur when the obverse and reverse dies strike each other without a planchet, transferring parts of the design to the opposite die. Value: depending on the clarity of the clash marks, these coins range from $150 to $600. Double die obverse, DDO. Description: doubling is visible on inscriptions such as Liberty and In God We Trust. Value: these coins sell for $500 to $2,000, with higher grade examples reaching premium prices. Off-center strikes. Description: coins struck off-center exhibit partial designs. The value increases with the percentage of misalignment. Value: ranging from $75 to $350, these errors are highly collectible. Market dynamics: Philadelphia Mint errors are particularly popular due to their widespread circulation. The 1985 P errors stand out for their dramatic visual appeal and historical interest. 5. 1994 D. Washington Quarter Errors. Historical context: the Denver Mint produced over 1.1 billion quarters in 1994. Despite the high output, error coins from this year are relatively scarce, making them valuable to collectors. Struck on wrong planchets. Description: a few 1994 D quarters were struck on foreign or incorrect planchets, leading to undersized or misshapen coins. Value: depending on the planchet type, these coins range from $2,000 to $6,000. Die rotation errors. Description: significant die rotation causes misaligned designs on the obverse and reverse. Value: coins with rotations exceeding 90 degrees can sell for $200 to $800. BIE errors. Description: minor die breaks between the B and E in Liberty create the appearance of an extra I. Value: while subtle, these errors are worth $20 to $100. Collector interest: error coins from the Denver Mint are sought after for their scarcity. Their unique characteristics make them standout pieces in any collection. Conclusion: Washington Quarter Errors from 1965, 1969, 1974, 1985 p. and 1994 d represent a fascinating intersection of history, artistry, and chance. Their rarity, coupled with their historical significance, ensures their enduring appeal among collectors. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a casual enthusiast, these coins offer an exciting opportunity to own a piece of history.